I hope everybody's doing well out there because I know I am. Guys, I'm telling you, we're doing this beautiful installation today. It's a 3-zone hot water boiler. The boiler's from Peerless, and the exact model number is a WBV-03, which basically just means it's a 3-section hot water boiler with an oil burner, and it's a Hvac AFG. Guys, let's get started because I'm super excited. I'm speechless. I just want to show you guys. So guys, let's get started right now. Wepa! We're here in Flushing, Queens, New York, and I'm excited to show you guys this beautiful installation we're doing in this beautiful home. Guys, it's not a regular installation. It's a little bit different. What makes it a little bit different is that, you know what? She wants everything. Not that we don't do clean work and we don't do detail work, but she wants the extra detail. She wants the extra work. And I want to show you guys because, listen, you get what you pay for. That's what it is. Good work don't come cheap. So we're installing an oil-fired hot water boiler. That's right, from Peerless. The model is a WBV-03, which basically means it's a WBV is the model, and it's a 3-section boiler, and it's oil-fired. The reason why they have oil is because you guys already know they're trying to get away from gas, and this particular house don't have gas, and it was just more cost effective for them to say, you know what, just stick with oil, and that's what they want. Because basically the boiler is a backup because they're using heat pumps. So as their primary heat, they're using heat pumps. As a secondary source of heat, they're using oil. So guys, I'm going to show you what it is to do nice, phenomenal work because people are willing to pay for it. So if you're out there, you're a contractor, and you have clients that are willing to pay the extra and go that extra mile, listen, the people are willing to do it because this is their homes and this is what they want. So guys, let's get started because I can't wait to get the party started. Let's get it started right now. Woo! Wepa!
arriba, hacia el gordo. ¿No le he hecho pega?
that I'm in the favorite part of the home, which is the boiler room, baby. That's right, I'm eager and excited to show you guys, give you guys a sneak peek preview of what this installation is gonna look like. So come on, let me show you guys. Come on, guys, don't be afraid. So guys, right now we're in the boiler room. We're here, we're installing the manifold. You guys can see the boiler's already in. So guys, as you're looking, it's becoming alive. That's right, because it's like a big puzzle. It's one piece at a time. It's time consuming because it's very detail oriented. So guys, if you're doing any type of work, especially this type of work, people care about is detail. And believe me, you want the details to stick out. Meaning like, it could be as far as the valves, it could be the fittings, it could be also making sure you have support on the piping, everything, and making sure that everything is nice and clean and also level, which is very important. And of course, the ultimate thing is when you finish with your job, make sure that everything is clean. So guys, stay tuned because this is just the beginning of what's coming. And we haven't even get started yet because we're in the fall. We just got into the fall. Tomorrow's actually the first day of fall. We're about to get to the heating season and we have a long heating season way to go. So guys, stay tuned because it's coming, baby. Heating season is here. Boiler season. Wepa! gente, guys, I'm so eager and proud to show you guys this particular installation because you know what? It's the fine details I look for. So I'm going to show you guys. So guys, as you know, everything is nice and clean, and you notice that there's less wiring or minimal as possible. And the reason for that is exactly what I want to do. I want to give it. It's like magic, right? You say it's the trick to your eye, and it's nothing crazy. It's just that you see the wiring here. Yeah, I could put it outside, but you know what? When we tuck it inside here, you don't see it. I know it's there, but you know it's there, but it has to be connected, of course. But we put it inside here, we tuck it in to make sure that it looks nice and clean. It's aesthetic, you know, nice and clean to the eye. So guys, same thing here. We have a beautiful manifold. It's level, it's straight. All the pumps look the same brand, same valves. It looks clean. Can I put a valve here, another one here? Absolutely, it will still work. However, it looks ugly. You know, you want it to look nice and presentable. Same thing with the manifold here, same with the same purge valves. The whole point is you want to make the job look nice and clean. No different than you putting a plasma TV on your wall and you don't want to see the wires. It's the same exact concept. So guys, this is what it is, and these little fine details take time. And the back of this is the crawl space. Same thing. We have to make sure that is nice and clean. They're all straight, they're all labeled, and they're all nice and tacked into the floor joist. So of course they don't hang or somebody hits it. I don't see no reason why somebody should be inside the crawl space, but you never know. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you like the process. I hope you say, Louis, I want one of those boilers too, because we're here to give you the same exact product, same exact service for you and everybody in the world. So guys, if you have anything you want to say to us, I would love to hear you guys. Leave a comment below. Most importantly, subscribe, smash that bell button, and guys, I'm looking forward to hearing from you guys because I'm just excited as you to see this job get done from beginning to end. And now, with that being said, closing up the show, Hvac! So I want to present to you from the customer himself. Don't hear from me. Don't hear from directly from the source. Shane, come in. Come on down, buddy.
How you doing, man?
Oh, pleasure.
Absolutely.
First, I want to tell everybody, listen, Shang is the boss here. He's the jefe in Metal, and so is his mom. And I also want to say personally, thank you for giving me an opportunity to do the installation and also show you what we can do. Because, you know, a lot of people I'm not the only contractor, there's many more, and you chose us. So I really want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart and my team. Thank you.
No, I absolutely appreciate it, man. I think you guys did a beautiful job here. To be honest, I've never seen a utility room this clean in my life. Just saying. So this is wonderful. Everything's labeled, everything's clean, everything's very neatly tucked in. It was quick, it was easy. There's no hassle. It was a great experience.
How did you find this, if you don't mind me asking?
I think my mom found you guys through your social media, through your presence online. Probably one of your YouTube videos that she was looking up. I think social media right now in today's world plays a very big role in the marketing. And also, having the videos means you're confident in your work. You want to present to your clients and your potential clients, right? And that basically is your stamp of approval for everybody.
Right. I'm speechless because I want to put a smile on my face too, but I don't put a smile on your face because I'm glad, I'm happy to see that you're smiling, you like it, because it means a lot, and you're absolutely right. I feel the same way. That not only is a stamp of approval, and it's coming directly from the source, but it's also like, you know, listen, I'm very confident in my work, I'm very confident in who I am and my team, and I like to show off the work that we do, because nowadays, you need to do that. You know, we unfortunately live in a world that, you know, you get people that you get good and the bad, you know, and on both sides, on the client side, on contractor side, and this is something to like a reinsurance, you know what? And then sometimes people are not visionary, you can't vision, and then when you put something in their face and you vision it, like, wow, you know what? I can bring this alive, and you know what? I'm glad I can do that in our service. Not even because sometimes people think the camera's just for like music videos and rap and TikTok and people dancing. I mean, we can dance too, but you know what? I definitely want to utilize social media and show the people our work, and I think it means a lot, especially when we come into your home, because your home is where, you know, your family, you lay down, you put your head down and sleep, and I think that's super important. So I really, again, from the bottom of my heart, really thank you for my team and myself. I want to say thank you that you give us that opportunity to show you guys and to show the world, because it's not just about us, it's about the world. Say, listen, you want this in your home? Hey, come and get it. But again, good work comes with a price. Nothing comes cheap, but you know, you get what you pay for, you know? And also do your homework, because his mom definitely did her homework. So it's a pleasure. Now the count of three, Hvac. 1, 2, 3, Hvac.